made sea foam.
And look at the alligator.
I know, he's covered in the sea foam.
Let's wash them off. I want to wash them off. Oh, I need some water, please.
Well, let's just play in this for a little bit. Look, you have a whole nother bowl.
Bowl?
You can mix it. You can put your little sea animals in there.
Whoa, I see some green. I see green.
Ooh.
On the bottom. Look, there's green. Oh! Whoa. I'm gonna wipe that on there.
That's fine. So what are some sea animals that you can think of?
I don't know.
Animals that live in the ocean.
Whales.
Whales. What else?
Sea creatures.
Sea creatures. Dolphins.
Dolphins.
Fish.
Fish. Yeah. Fish. I'm putting some glitter. When we put glitter in this, maybe it will be shining.
I bet it will be shiny.
Yeah. But we don't want to do it today.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Yeah. We will do it next time. Look, there's green.
Yeah, there's green in your bowl.
Look.
Yeah.
Green.
We put some green and some blue food coloring in it. I don't think we did enough, but that's okay.
We got a lot of green and a little bit of yellow in there.
Oh, yeah, that's right. A little bit of yellow, too.
I want to get some in there.
What are the animals that you have?
Watch this.
What's that one?
I don't know.
That one might be the dolphin.
Let me see.
Yep, you have a dolphin. What else do you have?
It's a black thing.
Oh, I think that one's the whale.
Yeah, it is.
Whale. And a crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yeah.
I think the crocodile can get a lot of bubbles. Now I can. Whoa. Get all that thing and that thing. I have to mix it up. Mix it up with stuff in it. Just mix it up. Just mix it up. Or mix. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that in there.
All right, so do you know that there's layers to the ocean?
No. 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 I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Can you guess what maybe they would be?
I maybe think they're here. Here. Okay.
So the layers of the ocean.
Or what?
The bottom is the trench.
Trench? What is
Trench. That's the very, very, very bottom. So it's really, really dark in the trench.
trench?
Yep. Then the next is the abyss.
Up here?
It's pretty dark down there too. Then there's the midnight layer.
Is that dark?
Somewhat dark. Then there's the twilight layer.
Is that white?
It's lighter. And then there's the sunlight layer. And the sunlight layer is where most of the sun gets to the ocean. It's the very tippity top. Right?
Yeah.
So how many of layers is that?
It's okay if I
Trench.
pour this in there.
Yeah, you can do that. Trench, abyss, midnight, twilight, sunlight. 5 layers of the ocean.
That's enough.
Whoa!
Almost gonna explode. It's almost. I need a
Little bit more.
little bit. And when it's gonna explode, it's gonna explode. Is it?
I don't know. I don't think so.
What? Oh, that much? It's so heavy.
It's so heavy.
I'm gonna pour
Whoa!
green. That's what I wanted to see. I'm gonna put some soap in my hands and scrub up dub dub.
Okay.
One, Bobby.
What does it feel like?
It feels like one gummy bear.
A gummy bear?
It smells like a gummy bear.
And I think you're silly.
Baby. And done. I think it's gonna be heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh gosh, it's so heavy. I'm kidding. It's just light. Okay.
Pouring.
Can you put some soap on my hands, please?
Maybe a little bit. You got to get in there with your hands. There you go.
Wait. Scrap, 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 scrap up. Do I want to get my in there?
You can put your feet in there if you want your feet in there.
I want my feet in there.
Okay.
Can you see me?
I can see you. You can put your feet in. Oh, what does it feel like?
It feels like gummy bears. It feels like gummy bears. It feels like gummy bears. It feels like whoa, 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 whoa. I want the whole thing in there. And put my feet in there.
You can put your feet in there.
It feels cold. 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 Oh.
All right, we're going to keep playing.
I want to get the soap in there.
Can you tell everybody bye?
Then scoop it up and then put it on my feet.
Oh. All right, tell everybody see you later.
Bye.
See you later. See you.